walk you through making these super cute vinyl little dot kit cases. Super fun. I love these because they're so fast and you can see through them. I have all kinds of colors in the shop for this easy to sew 12 gauge vinyl. The pattern I'm using, by the way, is called A Little Duff'll Do It by Karen West. It is a fabulous pattern. Please support her and buy this pattern. It is for a lined version out of quilting cotton. However, I've adapted it to the vinyl so that we're only sewing the one layer of vinyl. So, along the shorter edge, you're going to put your zipper right sides down, right sides together with the vinyl, and sew along this edge. I've already done that. So it is attached. Let me move these. It is attached along this edge here. Now what I like to do is fold it back with my thumb and just press it down. You can't use an iron on this vinyl, it'll melt. Finger pressing works just fine. And then I like the result better when I top stitch this seam allowance down, so I'm going to do that. Got my Teflon foot on, I think it'll be fine along here. I don't think I'm going to need my zipper foot until I attach the other side. So I'm going to fold the other side up and match the sides. Make sure you're not, a little wonky or anything. And I like to use the Wonder Clips to hold it in place. If you make holes with pins, they will stay there forever. You can't press them out. And now I'm going to sew along this edge to attach this side of the zipper. On this one, I think I'm going to need my zipper foot just so I don't hit that metal zipper. Move my needle over, check clearance, looks good. So both sides are attached, however I do need to top stitch that second side. So I'm going to open this up. Now my zippers are short. She calls for using longer zippers so that you can turn this completely open and flat, which makes a lot of sense. But I am running low on my zipper stash, so I've got to use what I have here. I need to place another order with Zip It on Etsy. Seems like I just ordered not long ago. Okay, I'm going to top stitch this side down now. Now for this section, I like to have it at least 3/4 of the way up, the zipper. You're going to smash it flat, making sure that your zipper is in the middle. So see how this is lengthwise and the zipper is in the middle. Now we're going to cut our corners. I've got this little template, but we're going to cut out 4 corners. You don't have to have a template, but I do find with the vinyl it's easier to see, and then I don't mess up my measuring or my corners. So we're going to cut. There's one. are going to sew across each short end a couple of times for strength. Make sure at this point that your zipper is at least halfway open. Just going to make your corners now. So I kind of reach in with my hand and pull it apart a bit, and these corners are just like a typical boxed corner. You pull it so that you're doing it like that. So I'm just kind of pulling it out. I want my seams to face down, so I'm making sure that seam allowance is down. Use some clips to hold it in place. Same thing on the other end. Okay, I'm just going to take that to the machine and we sew right across each corner. Take your time at this point to trim all those threads because you'll see them through the case if you don't get them now. The right side out. So I like to use my hair dryer because my house is pretty chilly.